be rum, it could be any sea, everything could be dumb. It could be water, it could be rum, it could be any sea, everything going down. That's the one that nobody hates. And the rum is going down, it's nobody hates. Yeah. Now watch the girl might go down and the young man.
Check that wine.
Fresh bait is the way to go.
Fresh bait, you guys. Fresh bait equals fresh fish. Ooh, some sergeant majors were breaching. Ooh, oh my god. Bro, you snapper are flared up. Nah, they got some nice ones in there.
Look at this, guys. Guys, this is incredible, guys. All these, oh my god. Why?
Whoa, bro. They're so fired up. Yo, they're having an all-you-can-eat buffet right now. At the same time, yo, the storm's still brewing out there, yo. Very dangerous out here, yo. Ooh, John got one. Ooh, yeah. Keep him low, keep him low. Bro, he just breached on it. Ooh, they're so flared up, bro. Nice keepers. I think you got it. Oh, wait. You got something. Ooh, there we go. There we go on the Frankenstall.
Let's go, baby.
Ooh, it's keeper size all day. All day keepers.
Let's do it, guys.
Oh, feisty. Even the little small ones are biting, but as you know, man, we're just gonna throw them back so they can grow up. Ooh, got the iguana man putting in work. Oh, bro, no way. This is insane, you guys.
Guys, what can I say? It's the
Oh
weather,
my
y'all.
god, circle hook every time, right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Yo, these guys are doing such a great job. I don't even have to fish anymore, yo. I could just have fisherman John and the iguana man do the fishing for me.
Basically, I mean, when the fishing is this good, I mean, shoot. It's fun, man. Look at this, you ready to get on. Wait, can you take it? You take it. They're biting, they're chewing. Once you drop it, they're chewing, guys. You guys are seeing the action. They're flared.
Pretty extreme if you ask me, man.
It's the weather, dude. Definitely extreme.
Yo, I don't know. When the weather is brewing, like that's when the tarpons came through. They want to see what the hype was all about.
They saw their friends eating. They smell food. They just wanted to come by, see what the hype was about. But we ended up getting one in the bag for y'all, so it's pretty sweet, y'all.
Snapper flying out the bag.
I
don't know, yo. How many snapper do you think we got here, man? Whoever gets it right is gonna win a shout out. Stay tuned. Ooh. Snapper are not playing, yo. They're jumping out the bag like non-stop. I don't understand. Yo, baiting up again, man.
Hopefully he gets the hook, and then hopefully you just get him in the bag.
We got our limit because these snapper are just trying to jump out the bag again, yo. So we might have our limit already. I don't know. We're gonna go for a count. Go for a body count in just a moment. We got two beauties right here. We got the Frankenstone. We got the silver.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna go ahead, guess the number of fish that we caught. Let us know your guess in the comments down below, and the winner will get a shout out, right?
Winner will get a shout out in our next video. So yo,
Guess right now. We're about to count it out right now. So let's go ahead and take a look. One. You want this? A little bit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, guys. 9 keepers.
9 keeper snappers, yeah.
So if you guys commented 9 keeper snappers, good for you. Also, let us know how much fish totally we caught in this video. Even if you have to go back, rewatch the video a couple times, let us know the total amount of fish. You'll get a complete shout out.
Thanks so much for watching. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We had so much fun filming this for you guys. absolute banger of a video. Tarpon snapper feeding frenzy in the middle of the thunderstorm, yo. Doesn't get any better than that.
Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Also comment the total number of fish we caught. And also make sure you hit the red subscribe button with the bell notification. Stream Pawn Stars, thank you so much for having me. This was a blast. Definitely a cool experience. Fishing in the thunderstorm. Crazy. Who would have ever thought the bite would have been this electric? It don't even make sense.
Crazy, yo. If you want to see more of these types of videos, comment down below and let me know. We might come back out here again to film a part 2. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe. We're gonna see you in the next video.
As you can relative porque eu admito, lembra? A gente servir. Olha só aqui, não. Snoopy, a Snoopy. Oh, it's here.
Not the early right?
Nah.
The Romita. Look at no, that's Roddy's song.
Roddy's my show.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
My show.
Hey, Mr. Zoom! It's your birthday, how do you feel?
Feel excited, happy.
Yes, sir.
How happy?
Yes, sir.
How happy? How happy? Happy, ain't no clap your hands.
Shit, how happy could I be? So I could be, man.
Hold on, music.
I don't know how much more happy I could be.
Why you so happy? Shake, man.
Yes, sir.
34 in life, man. That's a big number.
That's a blessing, boy.
Blessing, right?
That's a blessing.
When
34.
you describe your feelings, be phenomenal.
Woo.
You describe it.
That's phenomenal.
Alright, we got Marissa in the building. Okay, shoot. Alright, happy birthday to who? Is it Marissa's birthday?
It's Marissa's
Is it Candace's birthday? Whose birthday is it? Alright, we got a birthday in the house. Shoot, whose birthday is this?
Happy birthday!
Yeah, boy. Everybody in the air, hey. Oh, you're not gonna sing? Oh, you're not gonna sing? Yeah, hey, dude. Hey, happy birthday to you. Hey, happy. Woo, blow the candle, boy. Happy birthday, bro. Okay. Little beer pong action, okay. What you got? What you got going on? Okay. Oh! Jeez, alright, take me down!
It could be any sea, everything could be done. It could be water, it could be rum. It could be any sea, everything going down. That's the one that over the and the rums and good brothers over the
Yeah.
Now watch the girl might go down and the ground like
Check that wine.
As you can relative porque eu admito, lembra? A gente servir. Olha só aqui, não.
Check that wine. Mercy.
I need to be surprised.